Okay, so that was a great introduction.
How you doing?
We just got back from school and Dad went out to go get gas in his car.
So it's been about 1 week.
Are you gonna say something? No? Okay. Okay, so our plans for this week are to get stuff done.
Hey, my birthday in 2 days.
Jerry's got his birthday in 2 days. I do not have dance class this Tuesday. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for our week. We're not really planning on anything else. There is roller skating on Friday. Woo! So I think we might go to that and I might vlog it. Yay!